Hi, I'm Jay from Connected Essentials, and in this video we're looking at the CED-203 desk. So the CED-203 is finished in white with a light oak textured top and a white steel frame. It measures 100 centimeters wide and 55 centimeters deep. These dimensions are really useful for when you're working at your desk, being able to fit a 15-inch laptop, for example, alongside any accessories you may have. And also, just as a reference, we've used an A4 ream of paper just to show you that there's space for files and folders alongside it as well. The enclosed storage compartment at the back of the desk has cable routing points, so you can keep all your cables neat and tidy when in use. It's also deep enough and wide enough to store your wires, chargers, cables, or any other accessories that you may want out of sight. The open compartment on the other side is big enough that you can hold many files or folders in there as well. And these two sides can be alternated to suit you and your requirements. On the front of the desk there are two spacious drawers, both the same size, which holds an A4 ream of paper absolutely fine, just to give you that extra dimension of storage should you need it. It's compact and it's practical. The CED-203 will be the perfect addition to your children's bedroom, your home office or your study. If you have any more questions about this product or any queries, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thanks for watching.